Thank you for tuning in. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, this is Learn with Moji, and this is a child-friendly channel. And today we'll be having our mathematics class. We call it Mathematics Clinic, where we use our Ugo.C.Ugo textbook to solve, and I don't do it alone. How we solve part, take the question, interpret it, and we solve part, then throw it back to my young sharp to do it and put the final answer in the comment section. And if you are a returning subscribers, you are part of the family. I love you so much. So today, without wasting much of our time, we are going straight to our text 4 of 25th edition. So let's go straight. I will be audible enough in reading the questions, and in case you have the textbook, please do well to open along with me. I'm not going to be finishing any of those questions. You will be the one to give me the final answer. The first question says, if 3 tins of biscuits cost 2 naira 25 kobo, what is the cost of 5 familiar things? So we are told that 3 biscuits cost 2 naira 25 kobo, that is 225 kobo. So the first thing is we are dividing 225 kobo by 3. Whatever answer we get, we multiply it by 5 to know the cost of 5 things of biscuits. So number 1, we have 2, and that is equal to 225, and that will be 225 divided by 3, that is 7, with 15, that is 5, so that is 75 kobo. And that will be 75 multiplied by 5. 5 times 5, 25. We are holding 2. 5 times 7, 35, plus that 37. So it's 375 kobo, or 3 naira 75 kobo. So that's our final answer for number 1. So now to number 2. From 35 naira 0.05, take away 30 naira 99 kobo. So you are giving me the answer. We have 35.05 minus 30.99. So you do that and let me have the answer in the comment section. Number 3 says, a contractor employs 60 men to do a certain job in 15 days. 60 men in 15 days. Let's interpret the question. 15 men in 15 days. So the question now is, how many laborers working at the same rate will complete the work in 4 days? We don't know the number of men, but we are told 4 days. So what are we doing here? So that will be x is equal to what? 60 times 15 over 4. 4 here 1. 4 here 1, mean that 2, 4 in 20. That is 5. So we have 15 times 15, which is equal to 225. Do we have 225? So our answer here is 225 men. So number 4 question. Number 4 says, what is 40% of 5 naira? Any figure that carries the percent carries the over 100. So that is going to be 40 over 100 multiplied by 5. 40 over 100 multiplied by 5. This take away this. 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So we're having 4 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So it is 2 naira. Do we have it there? We have it as option C. Number 5 says, divide 63.07 by 7. What we are going to do here is immediately after the decimal, we start picking the numbers one by one. Number 5. We have 63.07 divided by 7. So 7 in 63, that is 9. 0.7 in that. 7 in is 0, that is 0. We are picking it one by one. And 7 in 7, that is 1. So our final answer there is 9.01. Now to number 6 question. How much less than 1 is the sum of 1 over 2 and 1 over 3? So we are going to take 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. After that, then we find our answer. So 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. So let's look for the LCM for this is 6. That is 3. This is 2. So we have 1 over 6. Number 7. Number 7 says a car travels 200 kilometers in 5 hours. How far does it travel in 7 hours at the same speed? So that would be, they said, that would be 200 divided by 5, which is equal to 40. And that would be 40 times 7, which is equal to 280 kilometers. Number 8 question. What is the volume of a rectangular water tank which is 8 meters long, 4 meters wide, and 3 meters height? Our formula is length times width times height. So we are multiplying all together. Okay. And that the length there is 8 times 4 times 3, and that is what? 96 meters square per cube. Number 9. Write the figure 5,000. Let's do it this way. 5,505. So you had it. This is 5. So 5,505. Number 10 question. Number 10 says multiply 25 by 99. 25 by 99. So I would love to have this answer in the comment section. So now to number 11 question. And 11 says 0.0801 divided by 0.9. So let's read the question. Number 11 is 0.0801 divided by 0.9. So let's deal with this one first. 0 divided by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 9 over 10. So for us to change this to multiplication, the 10 will come up, the 9 will go down. That is 0.801 divided by 10. This can take care of this. 9 here 1. 9 in 0.801. That is 89. That is 89. So we have 89 over 3 zeros. And this will give us what? 0.089. Do we have our answer there? 0.089. Yes, we have it as option E. Number 12 says two sums of money are in ratio 5:1. Ratio 5:1. If the smaller amount is 15 kobo, so whatever you do to one, you do it to the other. So that will be 5 times 15. And let me have the answer in the comment section. Number 13. If 30% of the people in a school are boys, what percent of the school are girls? We know the percent is 100%. And we are told that the boys, they are how many? 30%. So obviously the girls will be 70%. Number 14. The cost price of a car is 450 naira and the selling price is 504 naira. What is the percentage gain? What is the formula for finding the percentage gain? That is gain over cost price times 100 over 1. So the percentage gain is equal to what? Gain over cost price multiplied by 100 over 1. So from the question we are told that it was sold for 405 and bought for how much? 450. So when we take away that is 54. So that is 54 over the cost price is 450 multiplied by 100 over 1. This can take care of this. 5 here 2, 5 here 9. So we have you have 54 over 9 times 2. This is 8, this is 10 over 9. So do well to give me the answer in the comment section. So we have our thing. They said, what is the average of 2, 2, 8, and 12? What we are told there is that we will add all of them together, divided by the number of items we have. Number 15. They said 2, 2, 8, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 20. That is 24. So 24 divided by 4. Very simple answer. So let me have it in the comment section. Number 16 question. Express 3 over 4 as a decimal. 3 over 4 as a decimal. So we have it like this. 0 in 30. That is 7. Remainder 2 in 20, that is 5. So we have 0.75. Number 17 question. What is the simple interest on 20 naira for 5 years as 6% per annum? The formula is principal times time times rate. So divided by simple interest is equal to principal times time times rate over 100. So the principal there is 20. The time there is for 5 years and the rate is 6. So you divide this by 100. This take care of this. 5 year 1, 5 year 2. These two take care. So that is 6. That is 6 naira. Do we have it? That's option C. Number 18. Which of the following is the longest part of a cycle? We have circumference without diameter, we have chord, we have arc, we have radius. So our answer there is A, which is circumference. It's the largest part of the cycle. They said, which of the following fraction is the smallest? We have two ways of going about this. We have 1 over 3. We have 1 over 5, 1 over 6, 1 over 5, 1 over 6. We have 1 over 4, and we have 1 over 2. So there are two ways. It's either you use this fraction part, or we find the LCM. And the LCM for 3, 5, 6, 4, and 2 is 60. So in case we are using the LCM aspects, the LCM is 60. 3 is 60. Okay, let's use the LCM. That is 20. That is 12. That is 10. That is 15. And that is 30. So the smallest part that we have is what? 1 over 6. So that is the answer there. 1 over 6, which is represented by this. So now to number 20 question. Number 20 question says, express 1 over 8 as a percentage. 1 over 8 as a percentage. So you cut, in case we use 2 here, that is 4. 2 here, that is 50. 2 here again, 2 here, that's 25. So we have 1 over 2 times 25. 2 here 1, 2 here 12.5. Do we have it there as our answer? We have 12 points. You have 12, it can be 12.5 or 12 and a half. So we have it there. So number 21 question. 21 questions is, what is the smallest number that can be divided exactly by 4, 6, and 9? By 4, 6, and 9. 4 times 9, that is equal to 36. 9 times, we can use 9 times 4, which is still 36. 9 times 4 is equal to 36. And we can use 6 times 6, which is equal to 36. So our answer there is 36. Number 22. If 2x plus 3 is equal to 11, what number is represented by x? So that would be 11 minus 3, which is equal to 8. That would be, let me write the question. 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. So the 11 minus 3, that is 8. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So our answer there is 4. And if you want to cross check, 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 3, it gives you 11. So to number 23. Number 23 says simplify. You have to simplify 10.2 multiplied by 2.4 and divide it by 4.8. So what do we do here? 2.4 here 1, 2.4 here 2. So we have 10.2 over 2. 10 in 5, 10 in 10, 2 in 10, that is 5.2, and that would give us 2.1. Do we have 2.1 as our answer? That would be 5.1. Do we have 5.1? So that is B. Number 24. We are given a graph here. How many people score 16 marks? There is a way the graph is, so let me just look straight, and it is just 3 people that scored above. It is only 3 people that scored 16 marks, which is C. Number 25. What mark was scored by the highest number of the people? If you should look at it, it is 14, which is C. Number 26. From the graph, this is the graph here. From the graph, which of the following statements is not true? 6 people scored 20. No people had score of 10, that is a lie. An equal number of people scored 12 and 13, which is not true. Which is true. 4 people scored 3.5. Only 1 person scored 11. No, from the graph, which of the following statement is not true? The only untrue statement there is that 6 people scored 20. No 6 people that scored 20. Number 27. A schoolroom is 32 meters long and 11 meters wide. How many boys will it accommodate, allowing 8 square meters to each boy? That will be 32 times 11. 32 times 11, which is equal to, that was 32. Let's do it. 32 times 11. Here 2, here 3, here 2, here 3. That is 352. And is that our final answer? So it will be 352 divided by 8. So 352 divided by 8. So whatever answer we get, you can put it in the comment section for me. Number 28 question says, what is the missing number? We have 121, 215, 247. Then there are some missing number, and the final answer is 856. So what we are going to do is we are going to add the first 3 straight number given. Whatever answer we get, we take it away from 856. Then we get the missing number. Number 20. 121, 215, 247. And we have our answer to be 856. So what do we do now? We have this together. Whatever answer we get, we take it away from there. 121, 215, 247. That is 12, 13, only 1, 6, 7, 8. And this is 5. So it's going to be 856 minus 583. We have, so this is 3, this is 7, this is 2. So we have 273. So in number 29 question, we are given 3 shapes here. We have the cube, we have the cylinder, and we have the cone. So they said name the above solid figure in order from left to, so that will be number 29. And that will be cube, which is E. Our answer there is E. We have cube, cylinder, and cone. Number 30th question. Number 30th question. After salary of 500 per annum is to be increased by 15%, what will is new salary bill. Number 30, 15%. Multiply it by 500. This can take care of this. So we have 15 times 5, which is equal to 75. So we are to increase the amount. So it's going to be this 75 plus the original, which is going to be 575 naira. Number 31 question. What income tax should be on 400 naira at the rate of 2.5 kobo per naira? So this 2.5 to an improper fraction, that will be 2 times 2 plus 1, which is equal to 5/2. So that will be, we are told 400 will be 5/2 over 100. So we bring down the 2, that will be 400 times 5 over 100 times 2. 100 here 1, 100 here 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we have 2 times 5, which is equal to 10 naira. So now to our number 32 question now. It says a local council collects an educational rate of 2 naira from each man and 1 naira from each woman. If there are 150 men and 230 women in the village, how much is collected? So that will be 150 times 2, which is for men, 230 times 1, which is for women. Whatever answer we get, we add it together. Number 32. So that will be 150 times 2, which is equal to 300. This will be 230 times 1, which is equal to 230. And that gives us 530. So we'll be collecting 530. Number 530 naira. The number 33 question says express 75 kobo as a decimal of 1 naira 50 kobo. 1 naira of 50 kobo will be 1 naira 50 kobo. Number 33, 75. 1 naira, that is 150. So 75 here 1, 75 here 2. So that is 1/2, which is the same thing as 0.5. Number 34 question. He said, which of the following is equal to 60? So let's take our 60. 2 here 30, 2 here 15, 3 here 5, 5 here 1. So that's 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which is equal to 2 squared times 3 times 5. So that is the answer then. Number 35 question. One whole number 7/15 multiplied by 5 whole number 10/11. This is a mixed fraction. Let's change it to improper fraction before we start dealing with it. Number 35. We have one whole number 7/15 multiplied by 5 whole number 10/11. 15 times 1, 15. 15 plus 7, that is 22/15. That's 55. That is 65/100/10. So we multiply this together. So let's do 22 times 65. This is 10, 11, 12 plus 1, 13. So we have 1430 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 11. This is 5, this is 1, this is 5, this is 1. We have 165 divided by 160 divided by 165. So let's do our cutting. Okay, let me leave the cutting part for you, so you can cut it and let me have the answer in the comment section. So now to number 36 question. If a car travels at an average speed of 25 km/h, how long will the journey of 175 km take? All we have to do is time is equal to distance divided by time. That will be 175 divided by 25. The formula is time is equal to distance divided by speed. The distance is 175 divided by 25. 175 divided by 25, that is 7 hours. So now to number 37 question. What yearly insurance fee is paid for a house valued at 4,500 naira if the fee is 1/8 of the value. All we have to do is 1/8 multiplied by that amount. Number 37. Now 1/8, we multiply it by 4,500. 4,500. So what should we use for? Let's use 2. 2 here 4. 2 here 2. 2 in 5, 2 remainder 1. 2 in 10, 5. 2. So we have 1/4 multiplied by 2,250. Let's use our 2 again. 2 here 2. 2 here 1. 2 here 1. 2 here 2 remainder 1. So we have 1/2 times 1,125. So you can do that, and let me finish it. 2 in 11, that is 5 remainder 1. 2 in 12, that is 6. Then 2 in 5, that is 2 remainder 1. So we have our answer to be 256.1. Do we have any 266? Okay, instead of the 0.1, they wrote half, which is the same thing as this. Number 38, we are going to 40 question. Number 38 says, if 1/4s is equal to 2, what number does x represent? 1/4 of s is equal to 2. So what we do here is this. So what we that would be s is equal to 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. We are cross multiplying. S is equal to 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. So we should put 8 here. So 1/4 of 8 is 2. That's to tell us that we got our. The average attendance at school for 5 days was 264. The attendance on 4 of these days were 239. 239 plus 247 plus 277 plus 293. The fifth one was unknown, so we count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they've told us that everything is what? The average is 264. So we are adding the first numbers together. Let's add it together. We have 239, 247. This is 16. This is 8. This is 4. 277. This is 13. This is 16. Remember what? This is 7. We have 293. We have 6. We have 15. So we have 1056 plus x over 5 is equal to 264. So what do we do now? We cross multiply this. This will be 264 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1056 plus x. So we should multiply this. 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20. We are holding 2. That is 30. 32. We are holding 3. This is 10. That is 13, which is equal to 1056 plus s. So s is going to be 1320 minus 1056. We borrow 1 to this. This is 4. Here we have 11. This is 6. Here we have 2. So that was 264. So our s there is 264. So now to number 40th question. A train travels for 3 hours at 20 kilometers an hour. How long will it take another train to travel the same distance at 10 kilometers per hour? We are told that he was able to go for 20 kilometers an hour and he spent 3 hours. So if he's spending 10 hours, that will be 3 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 6 hours. So number 40. So that would be 20 times 3, which is equal to 60. 60 divided by 10, which is equal to 6 hours. Number 41. How much interest we charge on a bank loan of 270 for 8 months at the rate of 5% simple interest per annum? So the question now is, we are not giving in a year, we are giving in 8 months, and that 8 months, that will be 2/3 of a year. So we are not working per 1 year. So the simple interest is what? Principal times 10 times rate. So the principal there is how much? Is 270 multiplied by the rate there is 5%, and the time is, this is rate, this is time, and the time is 2/3 divided by 100. The third will come down, so that is 270 times 5 times 2 over 100 times 3. This can take care of this. 5 here 1, 5 here 2. These two can take care of these two. So we have 27 divided by 3, which is equal to 9. So our answer there is 9. So number 42 question. 1/2 minus 5/8 plus 1/4. So let's find the LCM, which is 8. That is 4 minus 5 plus 2. And that gives us what? 1/8. So number 43 says multiplying is 0. We are doing this. Number 43, multiplying is 0.0725 by 100. So you do it and give me the answer in the comment section. Number 44, the area of a square root. Number 44 question, the area of a square room is 144 square meter. What is the perimeter of the room? They told us that the area is what? 144 meters square, and we are told that what is the perimeter. So the area, the formula for the area of a square is equal to L2. So we have our L to be what? 144. So that is going to be square root of 144, which is equal to 12. And for the perimeter is 4L. So that would be 4 times 12, which is equal to 48. So now to the fifth question, which is question number 45. So question number 45 says, if a school begins at 8:15 and closes at 5 minutes past 2, for how many hours and minutes are the pupils in school each day? Number 45, we are told begins 8:15 and closes 2. So and the question asks, for how many hours and minutes are the pupils in school each day? 8:15 to 9:15, that is 1 hour. 9:15 to 10:15, that's 2. 10:15 to 11:15, that's 3 hours. 11:15 to 12:15, that's another 1 hour. 12:15 to 1:15, that's another 1 hour. 1:15 to 2, that is 45 minutes. And from 2 to 2:05, that is 5 minutes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 hours. 45 plus 5, that is 50 minutes. So this is the end of today's class. In case you have watched to this level and you enjoyed it, please try and subscribe. If there is any question you would like me to talk about again, please do well to put it in the comment section. I will read it and will attend to it. I love you and hope you are enjoying the new class and the new term. Bye-bye.